Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about complex data types in MySQL. Complex data types in MySQL refers to data types that allow you to store and manipulate complex data such as arrays, JSON, and spatial data. Why complex data types are important? MySQL complex data types are important for improving data organization, increasing functionality, improving performance, reducing data redundancy, and simplifying queries. They provide powerful tools for working with complex data such as making it easier to store, manage, and analyze large amounts of data. Complex data types in MySQL allow you to store and manipulate data such as that are beyond the basic data types like integers and strings. These data types are especially useful when you need to work with complex data such as arrays, JSON, spatial data, blob, geospatial data, XML, and so on. MySQL has a built-in JSON data type that allows you to store and manipulate JSON data. You can use JSON functions and operations to extract and modify data in JSON documents. Blob. In MySQL, the blob binary large object data type is used to store binary data such as images, audio, and video files. Blob data type allows you to store large amounts of data in a single column. Blob data can be of two types, text blob and binary blob. The text blob is used to store character data, while the binary blob is used to store non-character data. The maximum size of blob column is in MySQL is determined by the maximum packet size. To use the blob data in MySQL, you can define a column as blob in the create table statement, or you can alter an existing table to add a blob column using the alter table statement. Here is an example of creating a table with a blob column. In this example, we have created a table named myTable with an ID column and a data column of the blob data type. The ID column is determined as the primary key. To insert data into a blob column, you can use the insert statement with the appropriate syntax. In conclusion, the blob data type in MySQL is useful for storing binary data such as images, audio, and video files. It provides a flexible way to store large amounts of data in a single column, making it easier to manage and query data. Enum. In MySQL, the enum data type is used to create a list of possible values for a column. The enum data type allows you to restrict the values that can be inserted into a column, making it useful for columns that should only contain a specific set of values. Here is an example of creating a table with an enum column. In this example, we have created a table named myTable with an ID column and a status column of the enum data type. The status column can only contain the values pending, approved, or rejected. Some common complex data types in MySQL. Blob. A binary large object can store large amounts of binary data such as images, audio, and video files. Text. A data type that can store large amounts of the text data such as long articles or comments. Set. A data types that allows you to define a set of values for a column. Date, time, date time. These data types are used to store dates and times in various formats. Geometry. A data types that allows you to store and manipulate spatial data such as points, lines, and polygons. Timestamp. A data types that stores a timestamp value representing a date and time, typically with millisecond precision. Typically with a millisecond precision. Array. A data type that allows you to store arrays of values in a column. Struct. A data type that allows you to define structured data types with nested fields and arrays. In conclusion, complex data types in MySQL provide a powerful set of tools to work with and manipulate data in a structured and organized manner. They allow you to store and analyze large amounts of data efficiently, reduce data redundancy, and simplify queries. The data, the array data type in MySQL allows you to store and manipulate arrays, while the JSON data type enables the storage of JSON documents and offers built-in functions and operators to extract and manipulate data. Spatial data types allows you to store and manipulate geographic data, while the blob data type enables the storage of binary data. The enum data types allows you to create a list of values for a column and restricts the values that can be inserted into a column. Overall, the use of complex data types in MySQL offers numerous benefits, including improved data organization, increased functionality, better performance, reduced data redundancy, and simplified queries. As such, it is important to understand and use these data types to effectively manage and analyze data in MySQL databases. Thank you.